Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this circle shake transitions to your videos in CapCut. So first, just add the clips and click on the transition box, click on camera, then find the shake. Okay, this one, and adjust it for 1 second like this. Okay, or I'm going to just go with 0.8 seconds. Click on the check icon and click on the first clip and go to where the transition begin. Okay, so here click on the clip and add a keyframe like this, then zoom the clip in like so, and then drag it to the top left like this. Okay, now move backward like this and add another keyframe, then drag the clip to the bottom right corner. Okay, now go in between the keyframes and go to grab, then select the ease in 3, and after that you are done. But if you have more than more than 2 clips, you can just repeat the steps. So the circle shake will go like this. Okay everyone, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.